Hey there coffee lovers, whether you're just stepping into the world of coffee or you've been sipping for years, it's easy to get lost in the sea of lattes and Americanos. So today we're keeping it simple. Let's break down 5 popular types of coffee. Let's start with the foundation of modern coffee, espresso. Espresso is a strong concentrated shot of coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans under high pressure. It's usually served in 30 ml shots and has a thick, rich crema on top. Even though it's small, it packs a punch in flavor and caffeine. Next up, the Americano. Legend has it that American soldiers during World War II found European espresso too strong, so they added hot water to dilute it. Thus, the Americano was born. So an Americano is simply 1 part espresso plus 2 parts hot water. The result? A smoother, less intense cup that's closer in style to regular black coffee. Now let's add some milk to the mix, cappuccino. A cappuccino is made of equal parts espresso, steam milk and milk foam. Usually in a 150 to 180 ml cup. You get the boldness of espresso, the creaminess of milk and that lovely airy foam on top. It's a beautiful balance of strong and smooth. In Italy, it's often a breakfast drink. Elsewhere, it's enjoyed any time of the day. Next is the latte. Latte means milk in Italian, and this drink is basically espresso with a lot more milk. Typically, it's 1 part espresso to about 3 parts steam milk with just a light layer of foam on top. It's creamy, mild and often used as a canvas for flavor syrups like vanilla, hazelnut or caramel. Now let's chill things out with a newer favorite, cold brew. Cold brew is made by steeping coarsely ground coffee in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. The result is a smooth, low acid and slightly sweet coffee concentrate that's served cold, often over ice, with or without milk. There you have it, 5 types of coffee where each type offers a different experience and there's no right way to drink coffee, just the way you love it. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.